my god, guys, म त निदाए ट्याक्सीमा and now we're at the Black Oak Street again. नेपालीको पसल यतै रहेछ, well, Nepali restaurant. Oh my god, you guys can see it. And this is the menu, Nepali restaurant go. So we've got pretty much, yeah, most of momos on. Okay, first Nepali food after almost 2 weeks. Oh, miss this. Oh, beautiful. The spoon I gave up, so I well, we're gonna walk around and Jess is gonna shop. I feel better as well because I took a nap in taxi and I had a good meal. So yeah. Shopping underground shopping. Mom, if I get lost, I'll come here, okay? Your shopping is never ending. Oh my goodness, look, keeps on going and going. Etude House Co. Lucky makeup. Did you find it?
I recommend color analysis.
They got no tax free. Okay. Only one brand salty.
Jess kata gayo? I've lost Jess. Who the shop mateo tara she's not there anymore. I found Jess. Oh, looks so tired. Sunset in Jeju. Pink clouds and everything. So there's a couple of like it's so called subway type of escalator where you can come out. I believe there's like 10 right because there's an exit, and we happen to come out of Utaga exit and through here. Oh, but it looks like it's pretty much dead. Closed by this is a
Orange is not a color.
no, orange is not a color. Orange is not a color. Obi, you're my best friend, oh? Okay, we came back to this market again because Jess wants to eat and shop, right? But most of those things are closed anyway. 8:30 was it? Oh, you side time, eh? Do you want to eat right now?
Yeah.
This is matcha, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah? Out of 10?
7 because it's not ice cream, it's like some kind of filling result. Yeah.
We found out it is ice cream. Abajay, 9 out of 10.
No, I think maybe I'm just used to eating the milder version of green tea, that's why.
Full of sugar.
अन्डा है त्यो
I think so. It's good. Out of 10 के हो कति हो?
I would say 8 because it's not as juicy.
Oh. Probably because they flame the shit out of that lobster.
Yeah. Oh my days.
जता गयो त्यति फ्लेम्सहरु मात्र छ त हौ
Not peanut, the halabo. Oh, halabo. Yeah. One. This one.
मलाई नि अलिक धेरै देऊ है
I like it. 10 out of 10.
If you guys want to take some cash out, then Hana Bank is the best one. Non-Korean credit cards or bank cards for like Hana Bank. Don't mind, just ahead. बाह्र घण्टा घुमेर आयो आज हामी 12 घण्टा Look at her eye bag, she looks so tired. Oh, Hizo, we made the same taxi uncle as Hizo. He was so sweet. Oh, they made our bed as well. Oh, nice fresh bed. Ooh. Ah.
ऊ पनि चिपमा पाउँछ
रातिको 1 बजे return flight book गरेर यहाँ घाटा खाएर छ हामीले यहाँ. And there's no direct flight, so we need to go to Busan, from Jeju, Busan to Seoul.
Yeah, wish us luck, guys.
Yeah, and then they train. Don't be like us, book flights in advance. Nabay I'm just look about so.